This is Mehdi, CEO of Matboard and more. I'm excited to give you a behind-the-scenes look at our facilities in Marietta, Georgia. This is where we make all of our custom matboards and frames. We use state-of-the-art technology, including Wizard and Gunnar mat cutters. We have an amazing team here, working hard to get your orders ready and delivered as quickly as possible. By making all of our products in-house using only U.S. suppliers, we are able to ensure the best quality and service for all of our customers. We keep hundreds of matboard colors, as well as thousands of feet of molding in stock at all times. We also have custom cardboard packaging to make sure your order is delivered safely. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour. If you have any questions about our process, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments.